The final battle for environmental solutions reached its climax as two OECS colleges squared off in the Recycle OECS Windward Islands Inter-College Debate Finals. Sir Arthur Lewis Community College of St. Lucia proposed that responsible consumption trumps recycling systems in reducing plastic pollution, with Shine Savory and Shade Gustav mounting their case.
But according to Recycle OECS's 2023 study, between Grenada and Dominica, on average, 50% of plastic waste was in film form, a form that plastic facilities cannot recycle. Even if every OECS resident diligently placed all their plastic into the appropriate bins, half, in theory, cannot be recycled. And in plastic, less than 9% of plastic in the world is recycled. The best way to prevent single-use, non-recyclable waste from being a problem is to limit how much of it will be destined for the landfill by reducing our use of it.
T.A. Marryshow Community College of Grenada, represented by Kia Marryshow and Joshua Noel, rose to the challenge with a passionate defense for recycling systems.
If governments in the region lack vision for the OECS and fail to take a transformational approach to waste management, then every problem looks like a nail. Case in point, according to the International Solid Waste Association ISWA 2020, while recycling systems can help reduce plastic waste, the effectiveness is often hindered by logistical and financial constraints, particularly in small island nations.
Before a distinguished panel of judges representing sustainable agriculture, tourism, consumer goods, climate change, and waste management sectors, both teams demonstrated the depth of regional youth engagement with environmental solutions. Impressing with razor-sharp analysis, Sir Arthur Lewis Community College built their case on three main points: that end-of-life measures cannot curb pollution effectively, that the OECS's small economies make recycling unsustainable as a long-term solution, and that developing countries shoulder an unfair burden of recycling responsibilities while plastic producers face limited accountability.
While my leader has exposed the economic impracticalities of recycling in our region, I will prove that responsible consumption is not only more effective, but essential, as legislative dictum has amply demonstrated through example. It has the power to reshape individual behavior and ensure corporate compliance and accountability for the reduction of plastic pollution.
T.A. Marryshow Community College presented three key arguments: the practical limitations of consumption control in the OECS, the proven effectiveness of improved recycling systems, and the necessity of a dual approach, combining both strategies. They won over the judges with passionate, captivating delivery.
Plastic pollution is not an envisaged environmental problem. It is an immediate, current, today concern that requires not an eventual, slow solution, but rather an immediate, sustainable, proactive solution. Promoting sustainable consumption requires an entire paradigm shift, which will take time that we do not have.
When the scores were tallied, T.A. Marryshow Community College emerged victorious with 1,042 points to Sir Arthur Lewis Community College's 1,025 points, while Sir Arthur Lewis Community College's Shine Savory was unanimously acclaimed Best Speaker of the Finals. Head of Environment and Sustainability at the OECS Commission, Chamberlain Emmanuel, emphasized the broader impact of these youth-led debates.
This debate series is designed to explore the perspectives of our youth on these pillars and to help mobilize advocates for the transformation. We anticipate that this exchange of ideas will influence the refining of the model and will influence you, your peers, our policymakers, and the wider community to be responsible stewards and innovative change makers.
This debate series, supported in part by Unicoma St. Lucia, reaffirms the OECS Commission's commitment to prioritizing youth engagement in regional development, demonstrating how our next generation of leaders clearly understand the vital connection between environmental sustainability and the potential of the OECS blue economy.